Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by confirming access and quickly running the first scan. Log in with As Login, set your kubectl context to the target cluster, and make sure the Aks Detector binary or extension is installed. Once done, export or confirm your kubeconfig and run the initial scan command to gather findings. This gives you a baseline of misconfigurations and alerts so you know what to prioritize next. Don't skip this immediate verification step. Now you perform the more detailed execution. Run the full scan across all namespaces and collect a JSON report. You'll review results, filtering by severity and resource type to focus on critical issues first. Then map each finding to an owning team or resource tag so remediation is actionable. Make sure to cross-check network policies, RBAC bindings, and image vulnerabilities, because these often explain multiple alerts and let you prioritize fixes efficiently. Finish by applying targeted remediations, update manifests, fix misconfigured RBAC, and enforce network policies or image policies as needed. Once changes are deployed, rerun Aks Detector to confirm that alerts cleared and your security posture improved. If findings persist, gather detector output, cluster logs, and resource snapshots, then escalate with a support ticket or create a rollback plan. One troubleshooting tip: if results don't change, clear detector cache and rescan, because stale state can hide real progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.